Good evening, everybody. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today we are doing exercise 5F. This is our episode number 8, and the topic of the exercise is Trigonometric Equations. This is the course book of the Pure Maths 1, Cambridge International AS Levels of Mathematics 9709. So in this episode, we are going to start work from the question number 8. It's A part. Equation is given. This is a trigonometric equation. 4 cos square x is equals to 1. The x value is from 0 to 360. So let's do the process. Okay. So first of all, I bring this 4 to this side. So you will have cos square x equals to 1 by 4. Now I can take the square root on both the sides. So it will be cos x equals to plus minus 1 by 2. So just forget this plus minus. Okay, just take the cos inverse. Just remember this thing, that there is plus sign and a negative sign. So we will use our calculator to find the value of the cos inverse of the 1 by 2. And let me use my calculator. The calculator must be set in degrees. So shift cos bracket start 1 divided by 2 bracket close equals to, that is 60 degree. So because the cos is positive as well as negative, my base angle is 60 degree. Okay, so that means that it is here 90, 180, 270, and then we have 360. So the base angle is 60, so that it's this 60. So same angle here, this is 60, same angle here, so this is also 60, and it is also here. Why I'm taking in all the 4 quadrants? Because the cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant, and the cos is negative in the second and the third quadrant. Okay, so this angle is basically 60. This angle is 180 minus 60, which is 120. This angle is 180 plus 60, that is 240. This angle is 360 minus 60, so this is 300. So my x answers will be 60, 120, 240, and 300. So it's such an easy question. Let me check the answer, sir. The question number, this is exercise 5F, is question number 8, 60, 120, 240, and 300. So my dear students, the exercise 5F, episode 5 on the pure from the course book of the Pure Maths 1, Trigonometric Equations, question number 8, it's A part. This is the question number 8 and it's A part. So this is how you will do that question. I hope you understand. So my dear students, and now from the exercise 5F, the question number 8 is B part is showing up on your screen. 4 tan square x equals to 9. We have to find out the value of the x. The value of the x, its range is from 0 to 360. So let's bring this 4 to this side. Okay, so tan square x will be equals to, the tan square x is equals to 9 by the 4. Okay, now what we will do, we will take square root on both the sides. So this will become 3, this will become 2. Take square root on both the sides, so this will become plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, so tan x is equals to plus minus 3 by 2. Just forget this plus minus sign. Okay, so we will have tan inverse of the 3 by 2. So the x will be equals, it will give me the base angle. So I will use my calculator. The calculator must be set in degrees. So it's shift tan bracket 3 by 2 bracket close equals to, it's 56.31. 56.31. So my base angle is basically 56.31 degrees. Okay, so because the tan was positive and negative as well, so it will be present in all the quadrants. So it's 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, this is 360. Okay, so here the tan is positive, the base angle is 56.31. Here also the tan, here the tan is positive, so this base angle is 56.31. Okay, here the tan is negative because it's positive and negative both. The base angle will be 56.31. Here also the base angle will be 56.31. So what's this angle? This angle is 56.31. Okay, so how much is this angle? This angle is basically 180 minus 56.31. So we will use our calculator. 180 minus 56.31, and that is 123.69. 123.69. How much will be this angle? This angle will be equal to 180 plus 56.31. So it will be 180 plus 56.31, and that will be 236.31. And how much will be this angle? This angle will be 360 minus 56.31. So that is 360 minus 56.31, and that is 303.69. So the values of the x are this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle. Because the tan was positive and negative, so we have taken all the in all the quadrants, and the angles in all the quadrants. So 56.31, comma 123.69, comma 236.31, comma 303.69. Okay, so I think this is the answer, sir. So this is the question number 9. It says the answers, they have rounded it off to the one decimal place. So their answer is 56.3, our 123.7, 236.3, and 303.7. So our answers are right. This is how you will do the question number 8 and its B part. That's enough for this episode. If you think that this video is helpful to you, please share the link of this video with your friends so that video can be helpful for them as well. So thank you very much, everyone. Have a good night, sir. God bless you all.